Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Security National Mortgage account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in securitynational.loanadministration.com. After you come across this official page, scroll down your screen and here you'll see a login portal. Now enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. If you want your device to remember your username, then check the box that says remember my username. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. Before logging in, you must check the box that says I agree to the user terms and privacy policy. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username and Forgot Password links respectively. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Register Your Account link to make one. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can sign into Security National Mortgage account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.